Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook almond flour. Almond flour, derived from finely ground blanched almonds, is a versatile and popular ingredient. It offers a gluten-free, low-carbohydrate option, rich in healthy fats and protein. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor makes it suitable for both sweet and savory dishes. Understanding its unique properties is key to successful cooking and baking. When baking with almond flour, remember its lack of gluten means you'll need extra binding agents, such as eggs or a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum per cup of flour. It also absorbs more moisture, so recipes often require increased liquid or fewer dry ingredients. Always measure by weight, around 112 grams per cup, for consistent results, and ensure your leavening agents are adjusted. Almond flour excels in savory applications, particularly for frying and sautéing. It creates a wonderfully light and crispy coating for proteins like chicken or fish, offering a healthier alternative to traditional breadcrumbs. You can also use it to thicken sauces and gravies, adding a delicate nutty undertone. When frying, keep your oil temperature moderate, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent burning. For optimal freshness, store your almond flour in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer, as its high oil content can lead to rancidity. Always sift it before use to eliminate any lumps and ensure a smooth, consistent texture in your final product. Don't be afraid to experiment, but for initial success, follow recipes specifically designed for almond flour to understand its unique characteristics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.